Are you over 60 and noticing a concerning decline in your muscle strength? Do simple, everyday tasks now feel like a struggle? It's a challenge many face, and it's something my patient, Maria, experienced firsthand. But what if I told you there's a straightforward, even enjoyable way to fight back against muscle loss and reclaim your vitality? We're not talking about grueling workouts, but rather about the power of targeted nutrition. In this video, we'll uncover how a daily scoop of whey protein, combined with the nutritional might of spinach and eggs, can be a game changer for your health and strength. This isn't about trying to recapture the vigor of your 20s, but about ensuring you can live an active, independent, and richly fulfilling life at 60 and beyond, just like Maria did. Imagine being able to easily keep up with your grandchildren, enjoy your favorite hobbies, and maintain your independence for years to come. If you're ready to take the reins of your well-being and discover how to revitalize your body, then make sure you give this video a thumbs up, share it with those who need it, and subscribe to our channel for more insights into healthy aging. Now, let's get into the specifics and unlock the power of these incredible foods. Let me tell you about my patient, Maria. She came to me about a year ago, feeling frustrated and defeated. At 63, she was experiencing a noticeable decrease in her muscle mass, which made daily activities like gardening and playing with her grandkids increasingly difficult. She felt like her body was aging faster than she was. Maria tried various diets, but nothing seemed to make a significant difference. She was losing hope, thinking that this decline was just an inevitable part of getting older. One day, during our consultation, we discussed the importance of protein and specific nutrients for muscle health. We talked about how, as we age, our bodies become less efficient at processing protein and how this can lead to muscle loss. Maria was intrigued. She had been avoiding protein sources like whey because she thought they were only for bodybuilders, but she was open to trying something new. She was determined to get back her strength and enjoy her life again. We then crafted a simple, yet powerful plan for her. We introduced a daily scoop of whey protein into her morning routine, alongside incorporating more spinach and eggs into her diet. It wasn't about drastic changes, but rather about smart, consistent ones. Maria was skeptical at first, but she was willing to give it a try. She never imagined that this simple change would have such a profound effect on her health and happiness. Maria was consistent with her new routine, and within a few weeks, she started to notice a significant difference. The fatigue she had been feeling began to subside, and she found herself able to perform daily tasks with more ease and less strain. She was amazed that such simple changes could bring about such positive results. It was like she had rediscovered a new source of energy and strength she didn't know she was missing. One day, while gardening, she realized she was lifting bags of soil that had previously felt incredibly heavy, with much less effort. It was a light bulb moment for her. She realized that the combination of whey protein, spinach, and eggs was not just a trend but was actually the solution she had been searching for. The improvement in her physical strength was not just a physical change, but also boosted her mood and overall sense of well-being. Maria shared her experience with her friends and family, who were amazed by her transformation. She became a living testament to the power of proper nutrition and its impact on aging well. She realized that it wasn't about accepting the decline but about understanding how to fuel her body to stay strong and healthy. This discovery changed her life and motivated her to continue on this path to better health. Now, let's dive into the science behind why this combination of whey protein, spinach, and eggs is so effective, particularly for those over 60. As we age, our bodies become less efficient at synthesizing protein, which is vital for muscle maintenance and repair. This process, known as anabolic resistance, means we need to consume more high-quality protein to stimulate muscle growth and prevent muscle loss, or sarcopenia. Whey protein is an excellent source of essential amino acids, which are the building blocks of muscle tissue. It's also rapidly absorbed by the body, making it an ideal post-exercise or morning boost. Spinach, on the other hand, is a powerhouse of nutrients, including nitrates, which can enhance muscle function and reduce fatigue. It's also rich in vitamins like A, C, and K, as well as minerals like iron and calcium, all of which play vital roles in overall health and muscle support. These nutrients work synergistically with protein to not only build muscle but also improve muscle efficiency and endurance. The nitrates in spinach help improve blood flow, ensuring that muscles receive the nutrients and oxygen they need to function at their best. Finally, eggs are another complete protein source that also provides essential vitamins and minerals such as vitamin D, choline, and B vitamins. The combination of these nutrients helps to support muscle growth, cognitive function, and overall energy levels. Furthermore, the fats in eggs contribute to hormone production, which is crucial for muscle health and recovery. Together, this trio provides a complete nutritional profile that supports muscle health, combats age-related muscle loss, and enhances overall well-being. Incorporating whey protein, spinach, and eggs into your daily routine doesn't have to be complicated. Start with a simple whey protein shake in the morning. Mix 1 scoop of high-quality whey protein powder with water, milk, or your favorite smoothie base. This is a quick and easy way to ensure you're getting a substantial dose of protein to kickstart your day. It's also an ideal post-workout recovery drink if you engage in physical activity. Next, make spinach a regular part of your meals. Add a handful of fresh spinach to your morning omelet or scramble, creating a nutritious and delicious breakfast. You can also incorporate spinach into salads, soups, and stir-fries. Remember, even frozen spinach is a great option and is often more cost-effective. Try blending spinach into your smoothies, as the taste is easily masked, and you'll get all the benefits without even noticing it. Finally, don't shy away from eggs. Whether you prefer them boiled, scrambled, fried, or in an omelet, eggs are a versatile and accessible source of high-quality protein and nutrients. Aim for at least 1 or 2 eggs per day. Experiment with different recipes to keep things interesting. You can add vegetables like spinach and mushrooms to your omelets for extra nutrients and flavor. Remember, consistency is key. The more regularly you incorporate these foods, the more significant the benefits you'll experience. The evidence supporting the benefits of whey protein, spinach, and eggs for muscle health is not just anecdotal, it's backed by numerous studies and expert opinions. A study published in the Journal of the American Geriatric Society found that older adults who consumed more protein, particularly whey protein, experienced greater gains in muscle strength and mass compared to those who did not. This research highlights the importance of adequate protein intake for maintaining muscle health as we age. Furthermore, experts in the field of nutrition and gerontology frequently recommend incorporating these foods into the diets of older adults. Dr. Emily Carter, a leading nutritionist, says, whey protein is an easily digestible source of essential amino acids, and when combined with the nutrients in spinach and eggs, it creates a powerful combination for muscle maintenance and overall health in older adults. These expert endorsements reinforce the scientific evidence supporting the effectiveness of this dietary approach. Many people have shared their success stories after adopting this strategy. For instance, a 68-year-old man named George reported feeling more energetic and stronger after just a few weeks of incorporating these foods into his diet. He noted that he could now lift heavier objects around the house and had more stamina for his daily walks. These real-life testimonials further illustrate the potential of these simple dietary changes to improve the quality of life for older adults. It's clear that maintaining muscle strength as we age is not just about physical appearance, it's about preserving our independence, vitality, and quality of life. By incorporating a daily scoop of whey protein, along with the power of spinach and eggs, you can take a proactive step towards combating muscle loss and enhancing your overall well-being, just as Maria did. These aren't complicated or expensive changes, but rather simple, effective strategies that can yield remarkable results. Don't let age dictate your strength, take control of your health through smart nutrition. Now, it's your turn. We encourage you to try these tips and see the difference for yourself. Start with small, consistent changes, and track your progress. Remember, it's not about overnight transformations but about making sustainable lifestyle choices that benefit you in the long run. We're here to support you on your journey to better health and vitality. We'd love to hear about your experiences. Have you tried incorporating whey protein, spinach, and eggs into your diet? What results have you seen? Share your stories in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, share it with someone who could benefit from this information, and subscribe to our channel for more tips on healthy aging. Let's build a community of strong, healthy, and vibrant individuals.